Welcome to Shakthi International School. Here in this video, I'm going to show you a demo how to add the sounds in the animation video. When we are using the Scratch application, we can have some small amount of animation, which is already available. A lot of blocks are available, lot of controls are available. We have to make all the things properly in the script area, then we can do the animation here in this video. I'm going to share the screen for this, how to add a sound. When we are making the animation, along with the animation we need to show a play some sound. It would be very much effective when we are adding a sound here. I'm just sharing the screen. I'm going to show how to add a video, how to add a sound in the video. Here it's a normal coding. We know that how to enter, how to give it. When we are clicking the green plus, the sprite, what the sprite we are having here, it should move from one place to another place, right? So this is a normal coding I have taken. Now this is a new concept what we are going to implement in this video is adding a sound. For that, I'm just adding a sound here. There is a sound tab here. Lot of sounds are we are having. We can have a sound here from import button. We can choose. I have already chosen a cat sound. You can hear the voice cat sound giving okay. Here it is added, right? Now here how we can integrate with the codings. Already we are given when green flag clicked the move 35 steps. The sprite will move here. While moving, it should make a sound, play sound. I'm taking this play sound and I'm taking the cat sound or meow sound. I'm taking, because in the sound tab we are having two things. I'm taking the meow. Right here I have added a play sound meow. Now let us see the animation now. See, this is the animation. When I'm clicking the green flag, it is showing. Here you can see. I'm just clicking here. Yeah, it's walking and making a sound, right? Everyone can hear the cat sound, right? So this is how we can achieve the sound, playing the sound while doing the animation. Whenever we are doing the animation, when we are seeing the animation from just seeing as watching as a video, also we can integrate some sound effect. It looks like very lively and it is very interesting, right? So now everyone know how to add the sound inside the project, animation project. I will show some other video, some other demo. Okay, thank you all. Have a great day.